بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطلبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضة لغات، أهلا بكم. اليوم سنتناول درس جديد على تمارين على نظرية ذات الحدين. طبعا احنا عارفين نظرية ذات الحدين دي مهمة جدا جدا لأن هي حلت مشاكل كتير جدا. من ضمنها احنا كنا ممكن نحل مثلا لو انت عايز تفك قوس باور 2 او باور 3 كانت سهل جدا، لكن لو انت عندك مثلا براكت او قوس باور 4 باور 5 باور 6 او اي باور مور ذان 3 بتبقى من الصعب جدا انك تقدر تعمل اكسباند او تحله. فحلت نظريه ذات الحدين طريقه ايجاد حل قوس الباور بتاعه او القوس بتاعه اكبر من 3. ومن ضمن حلول النظريه كمان ان هي حلت مشكله كبيره جدا، ايجاد الحل العام او ايجاد الحل او رقم الحد اللي موجود. لو انت عندك مثلا قوس قوس 100 او قوس 200 او قوس 300 تقدر تجيب الحد رقم 100 او 150 او 120 باي طريقه، بس باستخدام القانون العام اللي هو TR plus 1 equal NCR second power R first power N minus R. My dear student, welcome my dear student in our math program for second 3. Today we are taking problems about binomial theorem. My dear student, look at the first example. In expansion, bracket contains ax square plus 1 over ax for all power 11. If the coefficient of x power 7 and x power 4 are equal, prove that a square equals 1. My dear student, we have expansion ax square plus 1 over ax for all power 11. If the coefficient of x power 7 and x power 4 are equals, prove that a power 2 equals 1. Solution. The general term tr plus 1 equals 11 CR, second term 1 over AX for all power R, first term AX square for all power 11 minus R. TR plus 1 equals, we expand 11 CR times A power negative R, X power negative R, A power 11 minus R, X power 22 minus 2R. Therefore, TR plus 1 became 11 CR A for all 11 minus 2R, X for all power 22 minus 3R. Remember, my dear student, what is the coefficient of T11? 11 CR A power 11 minus 2R. This coefficient. In general term, to get the term contains x power 7. What you mean? We put x power 22 minus 3r equal x power 7. My dear student, if we find the term contains x power 7, we must write x power 22 minus 3r equal x power 7. Let my dear student, 22 minus 3r equals 7. Therefore, what is the value of r? 3r equals 15. Therefore, r equals 5. Then T6. Term is T6. Why? Because the general term TR plus 1, but r equal 5, then general term T6. What is the coefficient of T6? 11 C5 AX power 7. Therefore, my dear student, coefficient of x power 7, 11 C5 A, this number 1. To get term contains x power 4, my dear student, we let 22 minus 3r equals 4. What is the value of r, my dear student? 3r equals 18, therefore r equals 6. Then the term is T7. T7 equals 11 C6 a power negative 1 x power 4. My dear student, coefficient of x power 4, 11 C6 a power negative 1. This number 2 from 1 and 2. My dear student, 11 C5a equal 11 C6 a power negative 1. We deduce that 462a equal 462 a power negative 1. Multiply each term by a, left hand side, a power 2 equals 1. Another example. Calculate the coefficient of x power 5 in expansion of x power 2 over 2 minus 3 over x for all power 10. Therefore, my dear student, TR plus 1 equal 10 CR negative 3 over x for all power r x power 2 over 2 10 minus r. General term NCR second term power r first term power 10 minus r. My dear student, we expand TR plus 1 by using 10 CR negative 3 for all power r x for all power negative r x power 20 minus 2r 2 power negative 10 plus r. We distribute power for all power. X power 2 for all power 10 minus r equal x power 20 minus 2r. 2 power negative 1 multiply power 10 minus r equal 2 power negative 10 plus r. TR plus 1 equals 10 CR negative 3 power r 2 power r minus 10 x power 20 minus 3r. This is general term. Look at, my dear student, to get the term free of x power 5, let 20 minus 3r equals 5. Therefore, 3r equal 15. R equals what? R equals 5. Then the term contains x power 5 as T6. T6, what is the value of T6? NCR 10 C5 second negative 3 power 5 substitution about r equal 5 2 power negative 5 x power 5. Answer is coefficient is 10 C5 negative 3 for all power 5 2 power negative 5 by using calculators equal negative 15 309 over 8. Another example. Prove that, my dear student, there is no term free of x in expansion of x power 3 over x power 3 minus 3 over x for all power 10. My dear student, this example is very important. There is no free term. What you mean? There is no free term in expansion. Find general term TR plus 1 equal NCR second term power r first term power n minus r. After expand, find the value of x for all powers and this power equals 0. We form equation by using left hand side x power in expansion equals x power 0. In this example, my dear student, find the value of r. R in this example equal negative or fraction. Must be r is positive. In this case, no free or no term free in expansion. My dear student, look at solution of this example. General term TR plus 1 10 CR multiply second term negative 3 over x for all power r, x power 3 for all power 10 minus r. By using expansion, 10 CR negative 3 for all power r, x power negative r. Multiply x power 30 minus 3r. Look at x, my dear student. X power negative r times x power 30 minus 3r equal x power 30 minus 4r. General term became 10 CR negative 3 for all power r, x for all power 30 minus 4r. By using general term, to get term free of x, let x power 30 minus 4r equal x power 0. What you mean? 30 minus 4r equals 0. Find the value of r. In this case, r equals 30 over 4, 7.5, refused. What you mean? Expansion has no term free of x. No term free of x in expansion. Another example. Find with respect to expansion of x minus 3 over 2x squared inside bracket for all power 12. Find with respect to expansion number 1 coefficient of x power 6. Number 2 the order of the term free of x. Solution. The general term, my dear student, tr plus 1 equal 12 cr, second term power r, first term power 10, 12 minus r. tr plus 1, 12 cr, second term power r, first term power 12 minus r. By using expansion, the original term became 12 cr, 3 power r, 2 power negative r, x power negative 2r, x power 12 minus r. Look at like terms x power negative 2r, x power 12 minus r. We find the product of each. Answer is tr plus 1 equals 12 cr, 3 power r, 2 power negative r, x power 12 minus 3r. This is general term. To get the term contains x power 6, we let 12 minus 3r equal 6. Find the value of r. In this case, 3r equals 6. Therefore, r equals what? 2. What is the term? The third term. Required term is T3. What is the value of T3? Find the value of T3 by using substitution about r equals 2. 12 is 2 times 3 power 2 times 2 power negative 2 x power 6. By using calculator, the coefficient of x power 6, 297 over 2. To get the term free of x, let 12 minus 3r equals what? X and student equals 0. What is the value of r? R equals 4. What is the term free? T5. The order is T5. Look at another example. In expansion, 3x squared plus 1 over x for all power 10. Find T5, T9. Look at the solution. T5, NC4, second power 4, first power 10 minus 4 equals 6. T5, N is 10, C4, second term power 4, first term power 6. By using expansion, T5 equals 10c4 x power negative 4, 3 power 6 x power 12. We have x power negative 4 times x power 12 x power 8. Then T5 equals 153,090 x power 8. Calculate the coefficient of T5 by using calculator. T9 equals 11C8, second term power 8, first term power 2. Then T9 became 10C8 x power negative 8, 3 power 2 x power 4. Distribute the power 2 among 3x power 2. X power negative 8 x power 4 equal x power negative 4. We have coefficient of T9 by using calculator. 10C8 times 3 power 2. 10C8 times 3 power 2 equal 405. X power negative 4, this is the term or 9 term. Look at another example. In expansion, 3x minus 2 over 3x for all bar 15. Find T7 coefficient of T12. My dear student, look at the solution. T7 NCR general term. N is 15, CR C6. Multiply second term for all power 6, first term power 15 minus 6 is 9. By using expansion, T7 15C6 negative 2 power 6, 3 power negative 6 or third power 6, x power negative 6, 3 power 9, x power 9. Look at x power negative 6 and x power 9, this like term, x power 3. By using calculator to find coefficient, then T7 became 8,648,640 x power 3 is value of T7. T12 15C11, second term power 11, first term power 4. Then T12 became 15C11 negative 2 power 11, 3 power negative 11, multiply x power negative 11, 3 power 4, x power 4. We summation product of 15C11 negative 2 power 11, 3 power negative 11 and 3 power 4 by using calculator and find the value of x power negative 11, x power 4. Therefore, T12 became negative 1278.24417 x power negative 7. Coefficient of T12 equals negative 1278.24417. This coefficient of x power negative 7 or coefficient of T12. Look at another example. My dear student, if we have bracket contains x plus root 2 power 4 plus x minus root 2 power 4, we can, my dear student, look at the power is even 4. Then we have 5 terms. In this example, instead of, my dear student, find the expand of x plus root 2 power 4 by using binomial theorem, and find expanding of x minus root 2 for all power 4 by binomial theorem, we write by using the rule 2 multiply t1 plus t3 plus t5. We have 5 terms. Why? Because the greatest power 4. If we power 4, then we find expand terms 5 terms. Then in this example we have t1, t3, t5 multiply 2 by using t1 equals x power 4, t3 4c2, root 2 power 2, x power 2, t5 square root 2 for all power 4. Therefore, answer is 2 multiply bracket contains x power 4 plus 12x power 2 plus 4. Another one. Look at, my dear student. If we have x plus 2 for all power 5 minus x minus 2 for all power 5 for all equals 64. Why? Because, my dear student, look at what is the value of x which expand for all power 5 minus bracket contains x minus 2 for all power 5 equals 64. This rule, this bracket power 5, how many terms? T6. Then T2 plus T4 plus T6 times 2. My dear student, look at the solution. This expansion equal 2 multiply 2 T2 plus T4 plus T6 equals 64. We find the value of T2 by using divided each term by 2, left hand side and right hand side. The equation became T2 plus T4 plus T6 equals 32. What is the value of T2? 5 C1 times 2 times x power 4. T4 5c3 t power 3 x power 2. T6 2 power 5 equals 32 from the given. Then we calculate 5c1 times 2 and 5c3 times 2 power 3 and 2 power 5. The equation became 10 x power 4 plus 80 x power 2 plus 32 minus 32 equals 0. Therefore, equation became 10x power 4 plus 80x power 2 equals 0 by using highest common factor 10x power 2 multiply bracket x power 2 plus 8 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0, or x plus 2 x power 2 plus 8 equals 0. X equals 0, x equals power 2 equals negative 8 is refused. Find the two middle terms of expansion of bracket contains x power 2 minus 2 over x for all power 9. My dear student, look at n equals 9. We have two middle terms. 9 plus 1 over 2, its order T5 and T6. Solution. The order of two middle terms 9 plus 1 over 2, 5, and 9 plus 3 over 2 equals 6. We have two middle terms T5 and T6. They are T5 and T6. My dear student, what is the value of T5? 9C4, second term power 4, first term power 5. Answer is 9C4 2 power 4, x power negative 4, x power 10. Then T5 equals 2016 x power 6. Also, T6 equals, by the same method, equals T6 negative 4032 x power 3. This is the term of number 6 or T6. My dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Thank you. Goodbye.